Many people in the modern world want to live a happy life, but they have too many distractions, debt, and a house full of junk. One couple with 4 kids wanted to declutter their house, so they rented a dumpster to place all their unwanted stuff there. One day, the dumpster caught fire and the house burned down as a result, but everyone was okay, luckily. This accident turned out to be a blessing in disguise because it helped the family get rid of their attachment to material things and feel a newfound sense of freedom. Is your stuff holding you back in life? Be honest. The modern world encourages people to seek happiness in products, and a lot of the stuff that people buy gets unused and distracts them from spending time with the people they love, as well as other goals. The author recommends categorizing your things into 3 piles: essential, things you need, non-essential things, and junk. When a person thinks about what they really need, it allows them to think more broadly about their life. The mind can also store junk, just like a home. For example, people store lies and false beliefs about themselves. Lying allows people to hide from themselves and their true nature. People often talk about the good things in their life and fail to mention the bad, and people lie to themselves to avoid facing an issue directly. Do your best to find the truth as you declutter your baggage. Spice up your life by relishing the small things in life. Both an atheist and a pastor mentioned in the book tell everyone to live their life with presence because it leads to happiness. This is what they both agree on. Living life in the moment and with mindfulness is the secret key to happiness. Once you dispose of all the junk cluttering your life, both physically and mentally, you will have more clarity to see and enjoy the little wonders of life. If you're stuck in wanting your wishes to be instantly met or buying stuff you don't need, you might never be satisfied. Take in the smell of your morning coffee or the sight of bright sunlight against the grass, and you will be happier and more present. One study showed that as many as 79% of grown-ups have purchased products online while drunk. Isn't that shocking? Seeing ads, peer pressure, and social standards are other reasons why people blindly purchase things. You have to align the choices you make with the needs you have inside of you. If you make decisions based on your deepest and dearest beliefs, then you will feel fulfilled. In this way, the boogeyman of the world won't take control of your reins and steer you in a bad direction. Take some time to sit down in a peaceful place and think about your values. Values come in layers. There are foundational values like health and relationships, personal qualities like sincerity and autonomy, fleeting preferences such as beauty or things you do in your free time, and day-to-day pursuits like answering emails or catching up on your funniest movie. These 4 layers of values will help you make decisions in life that are true to you. It's hard for Americans to make their finances work because over the past few decades, wages have become stagnant while costs on almost everything have increased. Take a look at your financial habits if you're struggling, and change your relationship with finance. Once you have no debt, the author advises that you place 15% of your income into your retirement plan and invest some of your income into a solid mutual fund. Are you a creative person? Creativity comes in many shapes and forms. Anyone who adds value and solves problems is creative. All creators struggle to make something new at times. That's why it's important to unplug from the digital world for a while. A computer science professor, Cal Newport, advises people to stop using technology that isn't totally needed for 30 days, which gives the brain a chance to recover. You will need all that time and energy that you spent on tech to foster good relationships. All relationships are unique and special, such as the ones you have with your coworkers, friends, teachers, and many others. Relationships become stronger when there are shared values, trust, understanding, and reciprocity. Relationships require your time and energy, and each person should give to the relationship, so it's not one-sided. Healthy relationships have boundaries which may include emotional and spiritual boundaries. When a person crosses a line and becomes toxic, sometimes it's best to leave and go your separate ways so you can dedicate your time to relationships that do matter to you. Once you declutter the things you don't need, you will have the time and energy to pursue hobbies, relationships, and projects that really matter to you. Thanks for watching, and may your week be energized and lovely.